Morning routine. My day starts early. I usually wake up around 5 a.m. Since most of my classes starts at 7, it gives me enough time to prepare myself before going to campus. Of course, never forget to do your morning routine. So mine isn't that maarte. I just wash my face with regular soap, as you can see, and after that, I wash my face and then I also do toothbrush in my teeth. After that, I took a refreshing shower to wash away the remnants of sleep. To step forward, I changed in my school uniform and took breakfast. So for today's menu, guys, I have rice and hard-boiled egg. You know, the typical student breakfast. So let's eat, guys. Okay, I'm done eating. Now it's time for the finishing touches. ID, of course, very important. A little pit check, and I'm all done. It's time to head to school. So we're walking on the way in the street. So finally in a motorcycle. I'm almost here. And I'm here in Jeremy's UK. So when I arrived at school, my classmates taking videos about the report because Sir Byron said that he cannot meet us because he's busy. And after that, I had an exam, and let's just say I wasn't exactly feeling like a genius, how I'm just hoping for a decent grade. In the afternoon, we don't have a class, so as mom said that she cannot meet us today because she's busy. So my classmate is taking a video for the report. And so after class, we went to a karaoke bar to unwind and relieve some stress. So we sang, enjoyed, and talked. It was a roller coaster ride today, but I guess my day went pretty much fine and live just the usual typical day at college. So I went home and quickly did my night routine. It was tiring yet fun day, and I'm really itching to go to bed and take a much needed sleep. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. It was a chill day, but I got everything done. Thanks for watching.